there, welcome to another insightful video brought to you by Simplilearn. Today, we'll take you through the exciting roadmap of becoming an AI engineer. If our content piques your interest and helps fuel your curiosity, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Now let's embark on this AI journey together. As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize various industries, AI engineers stand at the forefront of this technological wave. These professionals are essential in crafting intelligent systems that address complex business challenges. AI projects often stumble due to poor planning, subpar architecture, or scalability issues. AI engineers play a crucial role in overcoming these hurdles by merging cutting-edge AI technologies with strategic business insights. So in this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of becoming an AI engineer. Let's start with the basics. What does an AI engineer do? An AI engineer builds AI models using machine learning algorithms and deep learning neural networks. These models are pivotal in generating business insights that influence organizational decision-making. From developing applications that leverage sentiment analysis for contextual advertising to creating systems for visual recognition and language translation, the scope of an AI engineer's work is vast and impactful. So to succeed as an AI engineer, you need a blend of technical prowess and soft skills. So now let's break down this 8-month plan.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Month 1, Computer Science Fundamentals and Beginner's Python. So before we delve into AI, it's crucial to establish a strong foundation in computer science. This month, you should focus on the following topics. Data representation. Understanding bits and bytes, how text and numbers are stored, and the binary number system is foundational for everything in computing. This knowledge helps in comprehending how computers interpret and process data. Now next comes computer networks. Learn the basics of computer networks, including IP addresses and internet routing protocols. It's essential to understand how data travels across networks using UDP, TCP, and HTTP, which form the backbone of the internet and the World Wide Web. Next comes programming basics. Begin with the basics of programming like variables, strings, numbers, conditionals, loops, and algorithm basics. These fundamentals will allow you to write and understand simple programs. Simultaneously, you'll also start with Python, the preferred language for AI. So learn about variables, numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, sets, tuples, and control structures like if conditionals and for loops. And then move on to functions and modules. Understand how to create functions, including Lambda functions, and work with modules by using pip install to add functionality to your projects. Next comes file handling and exceptions. You should also practice reading from and writing to files, as well as handling exceptions to make your programs more robust. Finally, grasp the basics of classes and objects, which are crucial for writing organized and efficient code. So this comprehensive overview sets the stage for more complex programming tasks that you'll encounter in the following months. Now in month 2, you'll move on to data structure algorithms and advanced Python. So building on the foundations from month 1, we'll now delve into data structure and algorithm. So familiarize yourself with the concept of big O notation to understand the efficiency of different algorithms and data structures. Learn about arrays, linked lists, hash tables, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Mastering these structures will allow you to store and manipulate data effectively. Now next comes algorithms. You should explore algorithms such as binary search, bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, and recursion. These are essential for optimizing your code, and parallelly you'll advance your Python skills. So you can dive into inheritance, generators, iterations, list comprehensions, decorators, multi-threading, and multiprocessing. These topics will enable you to write more efficient and scalable code. So this month's learning prepares you to handle complex data operations and enhance your coding efficiency. Now in month 3, you'll move on to version control, SQL, and data manipulation. So in the 3rd month, the focus shifts to collaboration and data management. Number 1, version control. So understand the importance of version control systems, especially Git and GitHub. So learn basic commands such as add, commit, and push. You should also learn how to handle branches, reword changes, and understand concepts like head, diff, and merge. So these skills are invaluable for tracking changes and collaborating with other developers. Next, pull requests. Master the art of creating and managing pull requests to contribute to collaborative projects. Next, we'll dive into SQL for managing databases. So first, we'll start with SQL basics. So learn about relational databases and how to perform basic queries. And then you'll move on to advanced queries. Understand complex query techniques such as CTEs, subqueries, and window functions. And then comes joins and database management. So study different types of joins like left, right, inner, and full join. You should also learn how to create databases, manage indexes, and write stored procedures. Additionally, you will use NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation and learn basic data visualization techniques. This comprehensive skill set will be crucial as you move into more advanced data science topics. So now in month 4, you'll deal with maths and statistics for AI. So mathematics and statistics are the backbone of AI, and this month is dedicated to these critical subjects. So first, learn about descriptive versus inferential statistics, continuous versus discrete data, nominal versus ordinal data, measures of central tendency like mean, median, mode, and measures of dispersion like variance and standard deviation. After that, understand the basis of probability and delve into normal distribution, correlation, and covariance. After which, you should move on to advanced concepts. So you can study the central limit theorem, hypothesis testing, p-values, confidence intervals, and so on. In parallel, you should also study linear algebra and calculus. So in linear algebra, learn about vectors, matrices, eigenvalues, and eigenvectors. And in calculus, cover the basics of integral and differential calculus. So this mathematical foundation is essential for developing and understanding AI models, setting you up for success as you transition into machine learning. Now in month 5 comes exploratory data analysis, which is EDA and machine learning. So with a solid foundation in math and statistics, you are now ready to delve into machine learning. Number 1, pre-processing. Learn how to handle NA values, treat outliers, perform data normalization, and conduct feature engineering. You should also understand encoding techniques such as one-hot and label encoding. You'll also explore supervised and unsupervised learning with a focus on regression and classification, and learn about linear models like linear and logistical regression, and non-linear models like decision tree, random forest, etc. And then understand how to evaluate models using metrics such as mean squared error, mean absolute error, mean for regression and accuracy, precision recall, etc. Then comes hyperparameter tuning. Learn about techniques like grid search CV and random search CV for optimizing your models. After which you'll move on to unsupervised learning. Here you can study clustering techniques like K-means and hierarchical clustering, and delve into dimensionality reduction with PCA. So this month's focus on EDA and model building will prepare you for more complex AI applications. Transitioning to the next phase, you will begin to work on deploying these models and real-world scenarios. So in month 6 comes MLOps and machine learning projects. So this month will cover the operational aspects of machine learning and work on practical projects. So in MLOps basics, learn about APIs, particularly using Fast API for Python and server development. Understand DevOps fundamentals including CI/CD pipelines and containerization with Docker and Kubernetes. You should also gain familiarity with at least one cloud platform like AWS or Azure. Now in month 7 comes deep learning. So in this month, we delve into the world of deep learning. So number 1 comes neural network. So learn about neural networks including forward and backward propagation and build multi-layer perceptrons. After which you'll move on to advanced architectures. So here explore convolutional neural networks, which are CNNs, for image data, and sequence models like RNNs and LSTMs. So this deep learning knowledge will be crucial as we move into specialized areas of AI in the final month. Now in the final month, the 8th month, comes NLP or computer vision. So the final month you have the option to specialize in either natural language processing, NLP, or computer vision. So first we'll level NLP track. So here you should learn about regex, text representation methods like count vectorizer, TF-IDF, Bo, word2vec, embeddings, and text classification with naive Bayes. And familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of libraries like Spacy and NLTK, and work on end-to-end NLP project. And talking about computer vision track, focus on basic image processing techniques like filtering, edge detection, image scaling, and rotation. Utilize libraries like OpenCV and build upon the CNN knowledge from the previous month. Practice data preprocessing and augmentation. So by the end of this month, you should have a solid foundation in your chosen specialization, ready to embark on your AI engineering career. So in conclusion, adopting AI is more than just a trend. It's a strategic move that can transform your organization's approach to machine learning. So do check out our professional certificate course in AI and machine learning, which is designed to equip you with the skills needed to excel in this dynamic field. Through live classes led by industry experts, masterclasses from IIT Kanpur faculty, and hands-on projects, you'll gain a competitive edge in AI. To enroll in this program, candidates should have a bachelor's degree with a 50% or higher average, preferably 2 or more years of work experience and foundational knowledge in programming and mathematics. Check out the course link in the description box below. So that's all for today's video on becoming an AI engineer. We hope you found this guide valuable and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below and our experts will be happy to assist. Thanks for tuning in, stay safe, and keep exploring.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.